Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 208 Royal View in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular Pittsford dream home that's truly a designer showcase with rare million-dollar skyline views of Rochester.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends to this luxurious dream home. With this two-story foyer featuring crown molding, palladium windows, dark stained hardwood floors, and this exceptional curved staircase, all with immediate park and Rochester skyline views. Just off the foyer is an elegant fireplace living room with extensive woodworking and crown molding, a great music room or more, and an extravagant dining room with a recessed ceiling, crown molding, wainscoting, and beautiful hardwood floors.
This is the ultimate designer white and bright kitchen. With stunning quartz countertops, high-end appliances, an expansive center island breakfast bar, a wet bar and pantry, and those beautiful dark-stained hardwood floors. Open to the dining area with a wall of windows and deck access, plus a grand great room with a gorgeous wood-burning fireplace with built-in cabinetry and a two-story wall of windows, highlighting the breathtaking skyline views. The first floor also features a laundry room, two powder rooms, and a classy executive office with French doors opening to the custom woodworking and paneling, a gas fireplace, and scenic skyline views. What a great place to work!
The excitement continues upstairs with a spacious landing overlooking the two-story great room and foyer, leading to 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, including an expansive bonus room, great for family or guests, including this one-of-a-kind private and spacious owner suite with a tray ceiling, gas fireplace, 2 walk-in closets, and pamper yourself in this ultimate spa bathroom with a soaking tub, 2 vanities, a shower, and marble floors. Again with those amazing park and Rochester skyline views. The exceptional craftsmanship of this architect design and quality built home by Longwell is evident in the details. There are windows in the lower level basement which could be finished to add another approximately 2,600 square feet for a potential grand media room, exercise room, with a bathroom plus bedrooms. The possibilities are endless.
This is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the summer breeze. With an entertainment-sized, maintenance-free deck overlooking the estate-sized acre lot, complemented with exquisite landscaping and the most beautiful views and sunsets.
The evening lighting is just spectacular, along with the sunsets and twinkling lights of the Rochester skyline. Royal View is a neighborhood of fine homes, all on a hilltop setting in the town of Victor with lower Ontario County taxes, yet Pittsford schools. This is a rare combination for the smart buyer. You can have it all in this Pittsford dream home. Steps away is Powder Mills Park, Eastview Mall, the Village of Victor, and Pittsford. Here we are in Showen Place in the Village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride.
All with a short distance to Canandaigua and Canandaigua Lake, the gateway to the Finger Lakes region.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 208 Royal View in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!